friends! I'm Penguin Bombon. Today we'll try to learn the English alphabet. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's learn the first 5 letters. A. Apple. Apple. Ant. Airplane. Airplane. Repeat. A. B. Bowl. Bear. Butterfly. Repeat. B. C. Cat. Car. Cake. Repeat. C. D. Dog. Duck. Dolphin. Repeat. D. E. Elephant. Egg. Eagle. Repeat. E. Now, let's repeat them all together. Ready? Repeat after me. A. B. C. D. E. Great job! You're awesome! Now let's continue. F. Fish. Frog. Flower. Repeat. F. G. Goat. Grapes. Guitar. Repeat. G. H. Hat. Horse. House. Repeat. H. I. Ice cream. Iceberg. Island. Repeat. I. J. Juice. Dam. Jacket. Repeat. J. Let's repeat them all together. Ready? Repeat after me. F. G. H. I. J. You're just amazing. And now let's continue. K. Kite. Kangaroo. Key. Repeat. K. L. Lion. Lemon. Lamp. Repeat. L. M. Monkey. Moon. Mountain. Repeat. M. N. Nest. Nose. Night. Repeat. N, N. O, O. Orange, orange. Owl, owl. Octopus, octopus. Repeat. O, O. Let's repeat them all together. Repeat after me. K, K. L, L. M, M. N, N. O, O. Hooray! You're fantastic! I'm super happy you remembered 5 more letters. Let's keep going. This is so much fun. P, P. Penguin, penguin. Pizza, pizza. Parrot, parrot. Repeat. P, P. Q, Q. Queen, queen. Quack, quack. Quilt, quilt. Repeat. Q, Q. R, R. Rabbit, rabbit. Rainbow, rainbow. Robot, robot. Repeat. R, R. S, S. Sun, sun. Star, star. Snake, snake. Repeat. S, S. T, T. Tiger, tiger. Tree, tree. Train, train. Repeat. T, T. U, U. Umbrella, umbrella. Unicorn, unicorn. Uniform, uniform. Repeat. U, U. Let's go over these letters again and remember them better. P, P. Q, Q. R, R. S, S. T, T. U, U. And finally, the last letters. V, V. Violin, violin. Fan, fan. Volcano, volcano. Repeat. V, V. W, W. Whale, whale. Window, window. Wolf, wolf. Repeat. W, W. X, X. Xylophone, xylophone. Xmas, Xmas. Xbox, Xbox. Repeat. X, X. Y, Y. Yak, yak. Yacht, yacht. Yogurt, yogurt. Repeat. Y, Y. Z, Z. Zebra, zebra. Zoo, zoo. Zucchini, zucchini. Repeat. Z, Z. Let's repeat them all together. Ready? Repeat after me. B, B. W, W. X, X. Y, Y. Z, Z. You did great! This is wonderful! You've learned the whole English alphabet and examples for each letter. Now you're real letter experts. Make sure to practice them every day. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time, friends!